And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. I was asking myself, what am I going to do with all these old Dewalt batteries? I know everybody says shock them, they don't charge right, whatever. I've had people tell me you can go through and see which cells are still good and then put them all in one. I think the option, what I'm going to go for is, I don't know, I think there's, 10, I'm not sure how many cells are in here, but I know if you go online you can buy replacement cells. You can buy the whole pack, which is, I don't know, like 35 bucks. Or you can buy all the individual cells really cheap. So, in a future video, I'm going to probably slowly replace the inners. I mean, I already have the inside. Why buy a whole stack? I'm going to buy enough to work on the first one and re-solder. I'm going to buy the little strips and I want to solder it. And then after that, I think I'm just going to change out the innards and chuck the, what do you call it, the old batteries. Because I figured if I have a bunch of tools for the old 18 volt that are still good. They work. I don't want to change them to lithium because it's too cold in here and the lithium tend to go dead really quick. And I like these because the NiCad, you could just keep grinding out on them, freezing cold weather, and they don't die until they just get to the end and die off. So yeah, first I want to try in a video and pack them myself and screw it up on my own. Thanks, train. And second video, I'll just make a video and I'll just pack them out one at a time. And I might, because they're like 30 bucks. I think it's like 30 or 40 bucks for a 2-pack. So if I buy 2 of them, I have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have like 12 of them. 3-pack. I think I have like 2 or 3 good ones left and 12 more. So it's kind of an expensive process, but it's cheaper than buying a freaking whole new battery. And then something tells me, yeah, it might be cheaper to buy a 4-pack of these things and just chuck the rest of them. But, you know, if it ain't broken totally, why not just try to, at least try to recycle them. Like, try to reuse it. Or the casing is good if you can order the innards. And mind you, I think all the packaging and the shipping from China is just going to negate that anyway. But that's my plan for a future video, is just to do this, put some more new stuff inside. Anyway, just me telling what's going on in the world. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.